Gravel pit, and I got these little sparrows flying around this little pier, and I'm trying to fish. Haven't caught anything. Seen some things bouncing around, jumping around. I haven't seen anybody catch a fish. But yeah, there's a bunch of little sparrows that live underneath this pier, and all they do is fly around all day. They're probably underneath here. See if there's any bats or anything else under here. Yeah, there they are. Yeah, they're all living up inside this little, inside this girder. I mean, up on this this girder, their support beams, and they're all flying over at my head because I'm coming over here to there. Oh, they got little mud houses. Look at this shit. Oh, look at the baby. It went to this little house. Yep, they all go in their little mud houses, or could even be a hornet nest. I think that's the little mud things live in there. Weird. Yeah, they like to go in there. Look at that. They all go in there. The little babies are up there. It's funny. I feel like I'm in a National Geographic film. They're probably freaking out because I'm in their little shelter down here. I kept thinking maybe there was bait in here, but I think these little things are just living up here. You got their little commune. Look at that. It's the birds. They're all nesting up in there too. Little shits. It's pretty funny. Birdie, birdie, birdie. I don't care.